There is a predetermined process that Pakistani courts must adhere to in order to grant a divorce to a Pakistani lady who is currently residing outside of the country. To begin the process of appointing a representative in Pakistan to act on your behalf, the first thing you need to do is fill out a special power of attorney documents, SPA. Attestation of this SPA-1 is required from the Pakistani Embassy or High Commission that is located in your native country. Courier service. I would appreciate it if you could have the SPA validated and then forward it to your Pakistani representative. Litigation procedure. Representatives' duties. Once the SPA is in possession, your representative has the ability to initiate a divorce in the event that the husband begins, or a khula in the event that the wife initiates, in Pakistan's family court. Legal counsel. Your representative has the ability to choose a lawyer to handle the issue and carry out the necessary paperwork. In the third step of the legal process, which is known as proceedings in court, the attorney will submit a petition to the family court in order to get a divorce or khula, as well as your evidence, if it is necessary. Headquarters. The court will schedule sessions in which your attorney and representation will debate your case. Decree issuance. After conducting a thorough investigation of the situation, the court has the authority to decide whether or not to award a divorce or khula to. In addition, the court has the authority to record your statement over a video link if it is necessary to do so, as the law permits. Union counsel involvement. Divorce effectiveness certificate. Once you have the court decision in your possession, your representative is required to then submit an application to the Union Council in the Pakistani city or province where your marriage was registered or where you have lived the most recently. In accordance with the mandated reconciliation period of 90 days, the Union Council will ensure that both parties are provided with notices in order to follow the mandate. In the event that reconciliation is unsuccessful, the Union Council will issue a divorce effectiveness certificate, which represents the finalization of the divorce. Collecting documents is the fifth step in the documentation and follow-up process. Take the necessary steps to ensure that all of the required legal documents, such as the divorce effectiveness certificate and the court decree, are gathered together and stored in the appropriate area. Make sure that you update your marital status on all of the official documents that require it, such as your passport and your national identification identity card. Helpful hints. Do not suppress your knowledge. Engage in constant communication with both your attorney and your representation in order to stay informed about the progression of your case. Legal advice that is reliable. If you want to understand about your rights and what to anticipate during the divorce process, it is a good idea to talk with a separate attorney. Make certain that all of the documents are validated and filed in the appropriate manner in order to avoid any delays. By adhering to this protocol, Pakistani women who are employed outside of the nation are able to obtain a divorce without having to leave the country. This ensures that all of their legal rights are protected and that the process goes off without a hitch. In the event that you require further assistance or explanation, please do not be reluctant to ask for it.